Good morning, this is Dr. Tom Peters, and today I would like to tell you about the winning combination of a doctoral dissertation. 777 is the symbol of a jackpot in Las Vegas, and the dissertation has several components. You are aware of these components because you received the dissertation manual from your university. Every dissertation has to have a theory section, literature review, and a method section. However, identifying what has to be there is not necessarily the winning combination. The winning combination depends on one phrase, which is conceptual clarity. You have to have conceptual clarity in theory, conceptual clarity in research methods and statistics, and conceptual clarity in the literature review in order to become a winner. You can get there by very thorough reading and understanding of theories, various theories, not just understanding but applying it to different settings. Today I would like to tell you the story of two students who could not progress within the doctoral program because they were not clear on what they were trying to research or study. One student with a major of general psychology, that was her major, wanted to study the area of gifted kids and referrals to gifted classrooms. In the library, there are several articles about children not getting referred to gifted classrooms. In most cases, Caucasian gifted children are referred, whereas African American and Hispanic gifted kids are not referred to gifted classrooms. One issue is discrimination, and the research questions were about improving the performance of the teachers, how to improve the program so that the teachers would refer everybody, not just Caucasian kids. However, the feedback from the professor was different because in this particular case, the student was preparing for the prospectus, and the core classes were about student progress in a classroom setting. So the question was, how does this affect the development of kids at school? How does this affect academic performance? Does it mean that they are accepted in college more so than kids who apply from regular classrooms? Does it mean that they progress better at college? But there was no data in the library regarding these questions. So the student was in a different area than the student's thinking was in a different area than what was required for that class. There are two abstract categories in this particular case. One of them is academic performance, which is related to the students in the classroom, and the other one is the teacher performance discrimination. In this particular case, she had to select one or the other, but for the purpose of the class, the academic performance of kids was required. The next case I would like to tell you about is a student whose major was organizational management. And at the dissertation phase, the student selected the topic business leaders, women executives, and life satisfaction. And the overarching research question was, why is it that women leaders are satisfied? And the feedback was that this is too broad, you have to narrow it down. And if you think about the concept being happy, being satisfied, and put this in an organizational setting, how do you define it? What are those factors that determine happiness, experiencing joy? It's based on the library search, the student could not justify it because, you know, a woman leader can be happy because the leader is happy anyways as a person, or is it the nature of the work that would determine happiness? Is it the level of collaboration with other agencies? Is it more stressful, less stressful in some cases? The student could not clarify it. However, when you encounter problems like these, you can work on it. You can work on clarifying the issue, identifying the boundaries, identifying the parameters, identifying variables in that particular topic so that you could succeed. I will talk more about clarifying the issue in theory, how to clarify a theory, how to identify the boundaries of a theory the next time. Until then, you have a good day. Bye-bye.